Hi guys, welcome back. So today I had this 3-set order. She ordered this pretty pink French, orange French, and this like green colored French. Sorry, I just sneezed like crazy right now. Ugh. But I used these tips. I measured them all out in the size that she requested, which I believe was a medium. And I just used numbers 1, 5, 4, 6, and 8. And I lay them all out just like this. And then I will prep them using a buffer. And then I'll show you that process really quick as well. I also reuse the tacky every once in a while if it's still sticking. I don't take it off. So right here I'm just fixing it because they were previously like pressed down from the other set that I did. And so right here I'm just going to buff them really quick. You just want to buff the shine off of the full covered tips so that way the gel will last. If you don't buff the shine, the gel will probably just peel off. So yeah, definitely buff that shine. I'm going to be using these two colors to create a nude. She wanted all of them to be nude base, the same nude base, so I just used the same ones. I'm using Minimalist for 1 coat, and then I'm going to do 2 coats of the nude bar. The nude bar is like a really sheer nude, and it has like a little bit of shimmer in it. So yeah, I've been loving like shimmer bases, and the sets that she showed me, the nude looked pretty similar to that, and you can never go wrong with some shimmer. So yeah, I just added that really quick. I'm going to show you the up close of the base, and then I'll show you guys the first pink Frenchies. I believe I did the pink first. I can't remember. No, I did the orange ones first. So I'm going to show you guys the 2 oranges that I mixed up. And for each set, I did mix multiple colors. So I show you guys exactly how I did that and what they looked like during the mixing process, and then what it looked like as a French. So I'm super excited. Okay, and then here is that nude bar going on. It is such a pretty color. It's really pretty on its own as well, but I didn't want to do it too sheer because the nude that she showed me in the picture wasn't really sheer. So I did add Minimalist. I've also used nude bar over like a soft pink, and it is so pretty as well. So then this is the 3rd coat that I am doing, and then I will show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll get into the orange tips. Okay, so this is what it is looking like. So pretty. I'm going to show you guys again at the very end as well what it looks like. But this is the color that I am using first, Aim to Please. It's like a neon orange, but I don't feel like the orange she showed me was neon. I do show a picture of the inspo pic that she sent me for all of the colors, and then I show you guys like how close I get to it, which I think I got pretty close. I do love mixing colors as well, and I did mix some yellow in for this tip or these tips as well. I did this color that I believe it was called Love Potion, and it was more of like an orange red. It's really pretty though. Like, wait till you guys see it. It's really pretty. Yeah, it's more, it looks really red on camera, but it's more of like an orangey red. And then I believe after I mixed this, it was still kind of neon-y. So to like make it less, I added some yellow to it. I believe it's like a, you guys will see. And then I believe it's called We Belong Together by Igel. So I'll show you guys. And since my Aim to Please was pretty much gone, I just decided to use the brush and try to get as much out as possible to keep that like orange color. And these were the tips. I felt like they looked more like yellowy, like a yellow orange instead of an orange, if that makes sense. So I added in this color, We Belong Together, and it's a yellow, but I just felt like these two mixed would make that yellow orange, and to me it did. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that little mix, and then I do show one of the Frenches for each set being painted, so I'll show you guys that as well. Okay, so we're looking closer. So I was happy with that mix. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this thumb looks like and how I paint my Frenchies. I do have a couple more videos, and for the most part, my newer videos, all of the art, and I did a lot of Frenchies. I've been doing a lot of Frenchies actually, almost every video, but all of my nail art is in real time. Every once in a while I'll speed up something if it's like the same exact thing, but for the most part I keep all nail art in real time just so that I can show you guys like the real process, because some stuff is hard, or some stuff, like even if it seems easy, it takes me a long time. So I just like to keep it in real time just to kind of show you guys, like, yes, there's artists out there, yes, there's people that can do nails super quick, all of that, which some nails sets I can get done quick, some I can't. So yeah, I just like to keep it in real time to show you guys, you know, everything behind nails. Okay, so this is what this French looked like. So pretty. So I went ahead and did all the rest, did my top coat, and now we're on to the second set, which is that greenish color. And don't get me wrong, that color Honeydew looks almost identical to this on camera, but because I've used Honeydew in the past, I knew that it was much lighter, so I'm adding in a couple more colors, and it is a process because I kind of added a little too much of I think it was Emerald, let me see, no, this one, Bel Air, I think. Wait, hold on, wait for it. Yeah, that was Emerald, I think. So I did add a little too much, and so it made it like super dark, and I was like, oh no, like I didn't mean to add that much. So I had to add a lot more Honeydew than I thought, but in the end it gets like exactly where I wanted it, and they came out so pretty, and I think the color was super close. But as you can see, like when I'm mixing right here, it looks pretty identical when I do the Honeydew, but just trust me, the camera like kind of changes the color, and then like that color is really thin, so it wouldn't have showed up the same. So yeah, I had to mix it. I had fun while mixing too, because I got to make all these really pretty colors that are custom mixed. So, and then I got to record it and show you guys. So yeah, it was really fun creating these. I got super close. I think I added a little bit more of Honeydew just to get it like a little bit closer, and I actually did do 2 coats of this color on the tips because it did seem a little bit light still. So this was the only one that I did that for, which was actually perfect because I needed all the color that I mixed. So yeah, it worked out perfect. Okay, so this is what the first coat is looking at like. It looks really like kind of too light for me, so I did go ahead and add that second layer, and then I will show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so then this is what the second coat looks like, and then I went ahead and did all of them, added the top coat. I think it looks so pretty. I can't wait till they're boxed. Okay, and then so this is the pink. I had two colors, so the one on the left looked a little too light for me, and then the one on the right looked a little too dark, so I was like, mix them both and let's hope that it comes out. And I believe it came out very, very, very similar. And then I just want to say something really quick. Nail Addict colors are so pigmented and like they smell like bubble gum. Tell me if you guys think they smell like bubble gum, because I have that one that I use, that pink one. As soon as I open it, I just smell bubble gum, and I'm like, oh my gosh, they smell so good. The pigment is amazing. Like, I mixed the two colors and look at that pigment. Like, I only needed one coat. It looked so pretty. I have a good amount of Nail Addict colors, and every single one of them, like, they're beautiful colors. So if you use them, definitely keep using them. If you don't or haven't tried them, definitely try them. At least just like order one if you do. And my favorite is Milky Way. It's really pretty. It's like a glitter pink. I do have a set coming up using that color too, so be on the lookout for that. It's a really, really pretty pink French set with like abstract art and chrome. Yes, I'm so excited. But yeah, I just want to say that really quick. Nail Addict colors are so pigmented. So yeah, if you have them, keep using them. If you don't, definitely try them. I think I have a code by them. If I do, I'll link it down below. If I don't, I don't. But I'm almost positive that I do. Okay, so this is what the pink looks like, and this is what they look like completed. Now I just have to finish file and pack them, and this is how they turned out. So pretty. I'm so in love. If you're still here, if you learned anything, if you like the vibe, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe. I have videos coming out weekly. I'm almost at the point where they're coming out daily, so just yeah, subscribe. Let's have fun over here. If you have any videos you want me to make, let me know. Thanks guys. Bye.